Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today, guys, we are going to look at the Occiam T9 wireless sports earbuds. Now, this is a really awesome little set. You can get this in multiple colors. I've got it in the ivory, but you've got black, blue, and pink that you can also get this in. That's as far as the case and the earbud. What makes this so cool? First of all, it is going to be waterproof and sweat proof. So it is made to actually be able to use if you are working, if you're DIYing, if you're into sports and you're out running or biking or climbing. It's not going to fall out of your ears very easily. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you open up the case, which by the way, the case is a battery. So it is going to be able to carry a backup battery with you. So not only do the units themselves have little batteries in it that are going to hold a charge, it will actually be able to recharge itself with the case. So if you take a look, it has a wraparound, and this wraparound goes around your ear, and the actual earbud itself goes inside of the ear canal, and it holds it into place. So if I take it and I slide it on just like this and place it into my ear, it is fully on now. And I can move around, upside down, jump, move, and it's not going to fall out. It's not going to go anywhere. So that is really a cool thing. But on top of it, these are not just earbuds. They also have built-in microphones. One in each one of these has its own microphone. So that is a really cool thing in itself as well. Now, this unit will also allow you to listen to just one or both. If you're listening to both of them, you're going to get about 8 hours of playtime out of this unit. Now, counting the battery backup though that's in the charger, you can go 48 hours without plugging this into an outlet anywhere. And if you are using these just one at a time, you've got about 4 days worth of charging in these. So it's a lot of playtime and really nice battery setup. Now I will tell you, the case is a much nicer case than I expected. Looking at the pictures, it looks great in person. It has a USB-C charger right here at the back. They do give you the cord. You do not get the block though. You'll have to have that. But nowadays, most people don't really use those charging blocks anymore. They have it built into their computers. They have it built into outlets on the wall. The other thing that I would like to point out is they also give you some backup little ear rubber pieces. Because a lot of times when you're pulling these in and out, these little things either get dirty, they just get wore out, or they just flat fall off, and then you're kind of stuck. You got to go try to find some more. Well, they give you backup. By the way, when you get ready to use them, they have little tabs that you're just simply going to pull off. Right here in the very front, you'll see them with the little yellow pieces. Now, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in just so you kind of have an idea of what it looks like, because you're going to have a readout right here in the front, and it's going to give you the current power that you have in the actual unit. So we're going to take and we're going to just plug it in just like that. And right now I am actually at 100% charge. So I could take this right now, put one in each ear, and I could play for 8 hours and then put it back in here and charge it. And I could do that for up to 48 hours without having to plug this in anywhere. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it's very well made. I like the fact I can listen to one, I can listen to both. I love the charging bank that I can carry with me so that I can go a long time without having to plug this in. I do like the fact that I can listen to just one or both at the same time. The built-in microphones are awesome. Overall, it's just a great system, guys. So if you're looking for some really good sport earbuds, something that's just not going to fall off your ear every time you're turning around, I don't think you're going to go wrong with these. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today, and we will see you on the next review.